When you connect your store to the Sourcier platform, you need to connect the products in your store to the products on the Sourcier platform. How do you do that? We're going to show you. There are usually 5 scenarios. So let's demo each of these separately, and the first one is the product that you don't have in your store. It's on the Sourcier platform. The second one is available in your store and on Sourcier. The third is available on your store, but not on Sourcier. The fourth is not available in your store, nor is it available on Sourcier. The fifth is to complete the link of the product through the order. Let's demonstrate each of these 5 scenarios. The first one is not available in my store, but on Sourcier's platform. At this point, we need to find the product you want to add in the platform. Then add it to the import list. You can also modify the product information at this time, if necessary. Then add it to your store. If we want to add this product, add it to the import list first. This product will be in the import list once added, if necessary. You can edit the product information, SKUs, pictures, and click to join the store after editing. We choose a store that is already bound, so that this product will be. Add to the store and see that the product has been added to your store. Second, the product already exists in my store, and the product is also available on Sourcier's platform, so all we have to do is connect it. Just awaiting connect here, on the list, we find the product to link to, and then we get the URL for that product on the Sourcier platform. If you can't find it, you can ask the salesman to provide it for you. Then click Connect to complete the connection of the product. For example, in my product, we want to connect this product. By clicking Connect, we get the URL of the product we want to link to. Here we can match SKU attributes. Once you have a match, you can choose here. To transport, click Connect. After completing the link, you can find the product in the Connected section. In the third case, my store has it, but the Sourcier platform does not. In this case, you need to contact the salesman. The salesman will find this product according to your requirements and add this product to the Sourcier platform. Then give you feedback, and then just like the previous operation, add this product to the link. The fourth scenario, which is not available in my store or on the Sourcier platform, is that this is a new product and you need to put it on the market. Then you provide the information of this product to the salesman. Let him help you find this product. Find it, put it on the Sourcier platform, and then add new products, same as the first case. The same way of operation can be added to your store. In the fifth scenario, we complete the link by order. Sometimes, the number of products in our store is very large, perhaps hundreds. It really takes a lot of time to link one by one, so we can operate it after the order of this product is generated. Products that do not produce orders can be put aside first, then we need to complete this part of the operation in the order list. For example, in the order list, we have unrecognized orders that the products in my store already exist, but there is no Source Here platform to connect to the orders. We can click on Inquiry to initiate an inquiry request. After clicking, the status changes to waiting for a quote. After the staff sees your quotation request, he will reply to you. Here is the reply back. Let's take a look at the quotation in reply. He will provide a link of the product. This link is OK. It corresponds to your product. We copy it and click on the link. Copy this link here so you can complete the product mapping. Then click on the link, and after this operation is successful, the unrecognized order will be transferred to awaiting payment. This order can be paid. There's another case where we might not want to put the whole product link. We can only link for this SKU. Click on SKU. Here we can also search by the name of the product. We find a product. Match it, like it's black. Click Confirm. In this case, only the SKU of this product will be matched. After matching, he will also come to waiting payment, where the payment can be made, so that the connection of the product is completed. He will also add this product link here. Okay, thank you.